Thomas, okay?
Oh, there we go.
Hey.
I won't be able to see where he's going. It's going to be disastrous.
Alright, does Darwin get one?
That one? Okay.
You're up next. Or,
Here you go, Darwin. Here we go.
Ready, Darwin? Go stick the number on Thomas.
Number on Thomas.
look.
Where does it go? Hey, Max, can you scoot? No, that's not where it goes. Darwin, you got to put it in your own place. Where does it go?
Here.
That's right. That's right.
Yay!
Yay! Darwin. Thomas is flying.
Go put it on the train.
That is so funny.
All right.
Alright, Pie. Pie's the winner so far. Who gets to go next? Max, do you want to play? Do you want to play?
Max,
Omara, do you want a number?
Amara, do you want to turn?
Do you want to get a sticker, Amara?
Yes, we can do another one. We can do one more.
Sebastian, where's Thomas's number? Come here, Amara. Where's Thomas's number? There we go. That's perfect.
There you go.
Good job, Sebastian. Go get it. All right. Thanks, Annie. Max, do you want one?
Max, would you like to turn? You want a number?
Hey, Leo, you want to stick that on the Thomas? Where does it go? You don't want one?
Okay, Max.
Here you go, Max.
Max. There you go. There's your number.
Oops, sorry. All right. Very close. Kendra, do you want to get a number? Go, Leo. Where does it go?
Where'd you go, Leo?
Where does it go, Leo?
Go
Hey,
for it,
guys,
buddy.
it's Leo's turn right now, okay?
Where are you going to put it, Leo?
Where are you going to
Put
put
it on
yours,
the train?
Darwin? You're going to put it on the train, Leo?
Where's number one going to go? That's a good spot, Darwin.
He likes to put stickers on top of stickers every time. We have the little potty chart and they get a sticker.
Oh, I saw that.
And he has like 5 of them, just all on top of each other.
Leo,
It drives me crazy.
Put it on the train.
All right, Darwin, that's a good one too. Go ahead, Leo.
Go for it, Leo.
Can you go stick it?
Stick it on there, Leo.
Stick it on there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Trent, I don't think Kendra's has one.
Okay, then
Kendra, do you want a sticker? Oh, great.
Poor Thomas, he really can't see where he's going.
Leo backed off.
Here you go.
Hopefully Thomas isn't hauling anything hazardous.
Yeah.
Oh, no! Well, maybe it saves the hazardous road.
Put it on.
Good job, Kendra. What do you think, Darwin? Did everybody get a turn? Annika hasn't had a turn. She's eating. Oh, they come off.
Aha!
This is Kendra.
John or Kendra, you guys have some coffee?
Oh, Thomas isn't blind anymore. Thank you, Pie. Oh, this is turning out to be very interesting.
No fighting over the stickers.
Darwin, where does that go? Where does it go?
Take cream or sugar or milk or...
Alright, I guess we're not going to really have a winner. Oh, that's very artistic, Amara. Upside down. Nobody's done that yet. Where does it go, Darwin? Where does it go?
There's no more numbers.
I know. They don't stick very well, do they? It kind of defeats the purpose. Oh, well. They're so young, they don't care. Where does the sticker go, Darwin? Where does the sticker go?
It goes on my hand.
Alright, I think we've had enough video of this game.
Mara's like, look at all these free stickers.
Yep. Sebastian, stick your sticker right there. There you go.
Wow, that's perfect, Sebastian.
Good job, little man. Twice in a row. Alright, say bye. Happy birthday, Sebastian.